Here are the 2015 Ford F-150 XLT in blue jean blue metallic, available at Waterloo Ford Lincoln on 114th and 107 Ave. This model comes with OEM tinted windows, Goodyear tires with alloy wheels. Into the front, you have HID headlights with daytime running lights, built-in fog lights, large rock guard below with your front tow hooks, and a block heater. This vehicle has seating for 6 passengers. This truck comes with power windows, power locks, passenger and driver, as well as in the rear. You have a child safety lock feature with power mirrors. Down here you have your light settings, tilt and telescopic steering wheel with cruise control, Bluetooth, stereo components at the touch of a finger. On your left hand side you have your gauge controls, so your trip, fuel economy, driver assist, and any other settings you may need. On your Microsoft Sync stereo, you have AM FM radio, Sirius satellite radio, CD player, as well as auxiliary USB and 12-volt outlets. This model comes with 4-wheel drive, air conditioning. It has a split bench seat in the front for 6 passenger seating with a gray cloth interior. This truck is a hardtop. Up here you have your light settings, as well as a little bit of extra storage for sunglasses. And here in the rear, this model does come with flex fuel and an OEM tow package. Again, you have the rear tinted windows. Lots of cargo space in the box. Comes with front and rear mud flaps as well with 4-wheel drive. This vehicle comes with fold-up rear seats for extra cargo space, carpeted floor mats, that 40/20 split bench seat in the front. If you have any other questions about this Ford F-150 XLT, please feel free to contact a sales specialist at Waterloo Ford Lincoln.